Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to Footwear Diaries, your #1 home for everything classy, trendy, and feminine when it comes to footwear. If you love elegance, if you love that confident walk that makes heads turn, then honey, you're in the right place. Because today, drumroll please, we're unveiling our brand new drop of Female Block Heels Sandals. And trust me, this drop is a total showstopper. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on the bell because, darling, you don't want to miss what's coming next on Footwear Diaries. Now let's talk about this drop. When I say block heel sandals, you might think, oh, just another heel. But nope, not this one. This drop screams balance, beauty, and boldness. The moment you slip your feet into these, you'll understand why everyone's talking about Footwear Diaries' latest drop. We've got everything: soft, neutral tones for the minimalist queens, glossy patent leather for the bold ones, and even pastel shades for that sweet girly vibe. And guess what? These heels don't just look good, they feel good. Because if your heels don't love your feet, girl, they're not worth it. Period. Let's be honest, stilettos? Gorgeous. But can we agree they're not always the friendliest? That's where block heels step in. They give you the height, the confidence, and the comfort, all in one chic package. You can go from a full day at work to a night out with the girls without feeling like you need to crawl home. And here's the fun part: these sandals elevate every outfit. With jeans, you look effortlessly stylish. With a summer dress, you're giving soft glam. With a formal outfit, you're serving boss energy. It's giving I didn't try too hard, but I still look amazing. Let's play a little game, shall we? Fashion styling time? Look 1, casual day out. Throw on high-waist jeans, a cute top, and our nude block heels. Boom, brunch ready. Look 2, soft evening dinner. Flowing silk dress, gold jewelry, and our glossy caramel pair. You're glowing, girl. Look 3, office slay. A pencil skirt, button-down shirt, and the black block heels. You're walking in like the CEO you are. And the best part? Every time your foot touches the ground, it says confidence. That's the Footwear Diaries effect. Now let's get real for a second. There are hundreds of fashion pages out there, so why should you stick with Footwear Diaries? Simple. Because we don't just drop shoes, we drop experiences. We study what women actually need: comfort, class, and confidence, and we design drops that make you feel beautiful inside and out. Every new release is crafted with care, tested for comfort, and styled for real women like you. We're building a sisterhood here. A space where we celebrate every step you take. From your 9-to-5 hustle to your glow-up nights out. So when you stay with Footwear Diaries, you're not just getting footwear, you're joining a movement of stylish, confident women. Which color from this drop are you feeling the most? The nude? The black? Or maybe that bold red that screams queen energy? Drop your fave in the comments below and tell me how you'd style it. And hey, don't just watch and go. Subscribe, because next week's drop, let's just say, if Cinderella had it, she would have never lost her shoe. Ladies, your walk tells your story. Make sure it's one of elegance, grace, and confidence. And with Footwear Diaries, we'll make sure every step you take is a stylish one. So don't forget, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next fresh drop. Until next time, keep walking tall, keep shining bright, and always remember, your story begins with the right pair of heels.